guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little mini review on the Norvina Volume 2 palette. She looks like this. She's a beautiful palette. But before we get into it, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on my notifications so you can be notified of when I do upload. And yeah, let's just get started. I'm so excited to use this. So I received my Anastasia PR package yesterday, and I was gonna try to film yesterday, but I just have no time. But this palette isn't even out yet, so I think I'm gonna be able to get the video up before it even drops, which is great. But this time I got it early, bitches. She's gorgeous. She's stunning. Okay, so I'm honestly just gonna wing this look. I kinda have something in mind, but I'm like hoping that it turns out, because you know how sometimes you like plan something in your head, you put it on and it's just not looking right. So let's just zoom y'all in. So as always, I'm priming with my Anastasia eyeshadow primer. So I'm trying to keep it simple today because I know I usually do cut creases, and I always get requested to do like more of like an easier look. So I'm going to keep this colorful but easy. So the first color that I'm going to be taking is E3. I'm going to be taking the eyeshadow and just placing it into my crease and doing small circular motions. Wow, this color is beautiful. I'm gonna cry. I need a second. Whew. I feel so blessed to be able to even receive this in PR. Like, you guys, I'm on the fucking list. I can't believe it. Like, I can't believe it. I've been working my ass off for the past 3 years, and I'm just so happy that this is literally one of my dreams come true. I know some people don't understand, and they're just like, it's just makeup, blah blah blah, but like, to me it's such a huge help. Like, if you only knew my situation, I don't even want to like get into that because that's just personal. I'm just very thankful for the opportunities that I have been receiving this past year. Life is crazy. I'm just taking a big fluffy brush. It's no product on it, and I'm just going to be blending out those edges a little bit more. So next I'm going in with C4, which is this one right here. And all I'm going to be doing is patting that color into the outer corner and doing little circular motions at the same time, just to help everything blend in together very seamlessly. Okay, so I definitely feel like I want to go a little darker with that outer corner. So I'm going to go in with a smaller brush, and I'm taking D5, which is like a navy blue color. This one right here. Okay, yeah, I should have definitely gone in with this color first. Now, taking the brush that I first used to add that greenish color, I'm just taking whatever's left on the brush, and I'm going to lightly just do circular motions on the outer edges of this blue, just to bring back some of that green color. I feel like that blue color just kind of like stamped itself on the corner, and I just can't seem to blend it out. But I think that's because I applied way too much eyeshadow at one time. That usually happens when I apply like way too much eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna try to keep it moving. I'm using the NYX glitter primer, and I'm just gonna go ahead and carve out like my crease, and then I'm gonna go in with a shimmer shade. I'm not doing anything too precise, just taking my finger and going along my lid, but I'm making sure that I'm not going higher than that green eyeshadow, if you know what I mean, just like on the lid. Okay, so now I'm going in with D1, which is this teal color right here. Okay, I'm just applying with my finger. So that definitely helped the makeup look less like splotchy on the outer corner. It actually did the trick. I'm shook. Okay, so I'm going in with a little bit of that dark navy blue, and I'm just going to be applying a little bit to the outer corner so it helps blend in those two shadows together. I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the excess eyeshadow and do this eye off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with some lashes. I'm going in with these lashes right here. These are from Madri Beauty. These are in the style Culebra, aka Snake as, I'm just playing. They're really pretty. They just launched their lashes today. I saw it on Instagram, so go ahead and check them out. They are a Latina owned business, so we gotta support our Latina sisters. So yeah, go check these lashes out. I will have them linked down below. Okay, so this is the eye with one of the lashes on. They're like subtly dramatic, which I love, which I live for. Like, they're here, but they're not like boom, you know. Like I feel like the eye look alone is like very like out there, even though it's very simple. It's the colors, you know, the colors are very like out there, like they pop. I didn't want to do too much with the lashes or add eyeliner. I wanted it to be very simple but very like playful at the same time. So there we are with the lashes on, looking like a bad beach. These are really pretty. Since I do have somewhere to be at after I film this video, I'm gonna go ahead and just take my favorite products, my products I use on a daily basis. So if you're a subscriber of mine, then you already know what products I'm gonna be using. You can already guess. I'm gonna be using the Tarte Base Tape Foundation Primer and the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. I'm in the color 440. It just smells so good and it leaves the skin looking so luminous. Look at my skin, you guys. It looks so freaking dewy. Ew, I have foundation lips. I'm taking my Shape Tape in the color Light Neutral, dragging this downward. And I'm doing one eye at a time because the Shape Tape tends to dry down kind of quickly on me. And yes, I'm using a dirty ass beauty blender because I'm not about to get up and wash it, okay? I washed it yesterday. It just looks really bad because I used powder with it. Mind your business, okay? Did I? Ah! Oh my god. Okay, so I just went in with the completely wrong shade. I accidentally took light medium instead of light neutral. Like, I really need to be wearing my glasses. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply light neutral on top of this one. I swear nothing will ever beat the Shape Tape. Like, this concealer is immaculate. Okay, so I'm setting with the Anastasia Loose Face Powder. So I'm contouring my skin with the Anastasia Cream Contour Kit. I have mine in the color Light. And I'm taking the middle shade. It's my favorite to contour my skin with. I've honestly been obsessed with cream contouring for like the past month or so. I'm going to spray my skin with the Dewy Set Spray. And then I'm going to go in with some highlights afterwards. I'm going to let it dry down a little bit. Okay, for highlight, I'm going to be going in with my Becca Champagne Pop. You guys, this was my favorite back in the day. I hardly have any left, but I'm still going to use it because it's bomb. Like, it literally just gives off the most blinding, like, highlight, bitch. I'm applying a little to my forehead just to give it a little bit of a, like, shine. For blush, I'm going to be going in with the Peachy Love Blush Trio from Anastasia. So for lips, I'm taking my favorites combination at the moment. This is all I've been wearing. It's just my go-to lip. It is the NYX Nude Truffle Lip Liner, the ABH Matte Lipstick in the color Nude, and over top of that, I throw on the ABH lip gloss in the color Undressed. You guys, let me just tell you, this is like the best lip combination ever. And yes, I'm overlining the fuck out of my lips because I can't afford lip injections right now. Okay, so we gotta do what we gotta do. I don't always throw on the gloss, but I feel like it just makes it like it just completes it, you know? I try to focus it like in the center. Okay guys, so this is the completed look right here. I pretty much just finished up the eyes by applying that green blue eyeshadow to the lower lash line, and then I went in with the color C1 into my inner corner. I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can get a really good look at the colors and everything that I did. Oh yeah, and I also applied a little bit of mascara to my lower lashes. I'm honestly living for this look. Everything looks so good, so pigmented, so blended. But for today, that is going to be all. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up before you go. I will see you guys in the next one.